Hey everybody, this is Sully and it's late at night, but I went to use my work phone and it's an S4 and check my battery out. And the funny thing is that I screw around with LiPo batteries all day, no problem, never puffed one. This is a Samsung official puffed. I did nothing to it. It is old, but I popped the back of my phone off, pop the back up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's fully in there. I just find this funny because I screw around with LiPos all day, every day. Screw around with them every day and never puffed one. Ever. I even buy cheap LiPos. But this is a Samsung official blah 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 S4 puffed. Pop the back off. I kept wondering why the phone wouldn't turn on. It would power up and then shut down and give me a no battery. So I'll be buying it. I think I gotta get a new one, but that's just interesting. I've never seen one do that. I'm glad it didn't burn my house down. Fun stuff. Sweet. Take care, be safe. Remember, LiPos puff and they can burn your house down, so don't do it.